Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode, we're going to be unboxing the BMW R-1200 RT, which is a premium 118 scale Diecast Patrol Motorcycle manufactured by Newray. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a standard window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Newray. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, what we're looking at today is a 118 scale diecast model of the BMW R-1200 RT manufactured by Newray. And at first glance, this diecast replica is a patrol style motorcycle that looks quite premium and has a good build quality and also has quite a bit of detailing to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it good looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps and standard branding details, and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible which is functional as well. I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add it to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. And with that out of the way, now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality, and also kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast motorcycle in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast motorcycle. And so with that being said, now let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. The BMW R-1200 RT is a touring or sports touring motorcycle that was introduced in 2005 by BMW Motorrad to replace the R-1150 RT model. This features a 1170cc flat twin engine with a 6-speed gearbox and shaft drive. BMW Authority vehicles produce factory-built versions of the R-1200 RT specifically for emergency services uses, including police, paramedics, blood transfusion, fire service and escort duty. It is also used by the traffic police in Ireland. Many states and cities in the United States use the R-1200 RTP for police duty as well. The R-1200 RT was selected as best touring bike by two major American monthly motorcycle magazines in 2005 and in 2006, and motorcycle.com selected the R-1200 RT as its 2015 best sports tourer. And for further information on the BMW R-1200 RT, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the best buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing diecast motorcycle. And I want to thank my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and I appreciate this a lot. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And stay tuned for some unique and fun diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more fun episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.